Welcome everyone. Today I will discuss some problems of set. So these problems are problem of WBJEE and JEE Mains. So look, two problems are given, 1 and 2. First we solve problem number 2. This is important problem. Suppose A1, A2, A3, A30 are 30 sets, each with 5 elements. A1 has 5 elements, A2 has 5 elements, and B1, B2, Bn are n sets, each with 3 elements. So B1 has 3, B2 3, and summation I equals to 1 to 30 AI equals to S, and summation I equals to 1 to n Bi equals to S. Now it is also given, this step is important, if each element of S belongs to exactly 10 elements of AIS and 9 elements of BIS, then find n. So this symbol, what is meaning of this? I equals to 1 to 30 AI equals to S. This means S equals to A1 union A2 union A3 union ... A30. This is short form of symbol. S equals to this. Now each element of A has how many elements? 5. AI has 5. A1 5, A2 5, A3 5, A30 5. And this one, each element of S belongs to exactly 10 elements of AI. So what is the meaning? Let us consider an example. Suppose A1 equals to 1, 2. A2 equals to 2, 3. A3 equals to 3, 1. So we are taking only 3. Here it is 30. So what is S? S is A1 union A2 union A3. So 1, 2, 3. Now look, this one. Then we generalize this problem. S. Look, each element of S belongs to exactly 2 elements of AI. Look, A1 2 elements, A2 2 elements, A3 2 elements. So each element of S belongs to exactly 2. Here it is 2, and for our original problem this is 10. So 2 elements. So look, number of elements in A1 is 2, A2 is 3, A3. So total elements is 6. So 3 into 2. 3 into 2. Now number of elements in A1, A2, A3. So 3 into 2. So 6 elements. 6 elements. Now number of elements in S is 3 into 2 equals to 6. Now number of elements in S is equal to 3. S equals to 3. So NS equals to 3. Now number of elements S equals to 3, it is obtained by how many sets? 3 sets. How many elements? 2 elements. By how many elements are common in each AI? Exactly 10 elements. So exactly 10 means here it is 2. So 3 into 2 by 2. So look, A1, A2, A3. So S equals to 1, 2, 3. This step is important. A1 has 2 elements, A2 has 2 elements, A3 has 2 elements. And each element of AI has exactly 2 elements of this. So how NS is obtained? Number of sets into number of elements. So 3 sets and number of elements is 2. Now how many elements are common of AI? Each exactly 10 elements. So here exactly 2. So you are getting this as 3. So listen, for our this problem, so original problem, S equals to this. So what will be NS? You look, NS, number of elements. So number of sets, that is 30. Number of sets in each AI, that is 5. Now S belongs to exactly 10 element in AI by 10. So this one is 15. So NS equals to 15. So this example, so this is miniature form and this is general form. Now look for B. What is for B? You look again. B equals to. What is B? B equals to now summation B1 union B2 union B3 union Bn. So how many elements? N sets, and each set has n sets has 3 elements. So what is NB? By the above formula, number of sets into number of elements in each BI, this is 3, by 9 elements common. So this is whole divided by 9. So this is NB, not B, this one is S. So here NS equals to this. Now look, NS equals to N into 3 by 9, and here NS equals to 15. So N into 3 by 9 equals to 15. So N equals to, so 45. N equals to 45. Now listen again. A1, A2, A30 are 30 sets, each with 5 elements. So union of AI, so S equals to A1, A2, A30. Now how many elements of S? NS formula is number of sets, total number of sets, that is 30. How many elements in AI? 5, and exactly 10 elements of AI. By the earlier example, by 10. So this is 15. So similarly, when S equals to B1, B2, Bn. So what is NS? N into 3 by this. So NS, put value of NS, and we are getting N equals to 45. So this is problem of JEE Main 2000. So this is general problem. Now we consider problem number 1. So a survey shows 63% of Americans like cheese, whereas 76% like apples. If X equals to number of Americans like both cheese and apples, then what is a restriction on X? So, to solve this problem, we need this theory. Number of elements in A union B. What is Na plus Nb minus N A intersection B. This is our theory. So, for 2 set, this is A, this is B. So, X equals to common X, this is A intersection B. So, N A intersection B equals to X. So, what is N A intersection B? By the previous rule, Na plus Nb minus N A union B. Now, what is Na? A survey shows 63% Americans like cheese. Suppose A equals to number of person who likes cheese. So, this is 63. And NB, number of sets who likes apples. So, this is 76 and minus N A union B. So, this is X. So, 9139 minus N A union B. Now, look. So, N is minimum. N is minimum when A union B, when A union B is maximum. A union B is maximum. So, look from figure, X equals to 139 minus this. So, total is 100%. So, when A in union B is maximum, then X is minimum. So, X is minimum when N of A union B equals to maximum. That is, this is 100. So, what is X? So, X lesser than equals to 139 minus 100. Maximum value, so X lesser than equals to 39. So, X lesser than equals to 39. So, maximum value of A union B, it should be 100. It is given in terms of percentage. So, this is minimum value. Now, what is the maximum value? Now, look, N A union B lesser than equals to Na. From figure, it is clear. So, N A union B lesser than equals to 63. Again, N A union B lesser than equals to NB. So, N A union B lesser than equals to 76. So, from these two inequalities, this is N A intersection B, you look, N A intersection B, obviously N A intersection B less than equals to Na. So, N A intersection B lesser than equals to 63. So, N A intersection B lesser than equals to B also. So, this is 76. So, what is the common value? N A intersection B lesser than equals to 63. So, here it is lesser than equals to 63 and it is maximum. So, look, it is maximum value is 10. When it is 10, then it is 39. So, correct it, this will be greater than. this will be greater than. So look it again. n A union B equals to this. So n A union B equals to x. So up to this is okay. Now x is minimum when A union B is maximum. So if it is 100, then value is 39. If it is 99, then it is 40. So x greater than equals to, this is not less, minimum means greater than 139 minus this. And it is already proved. So what we are getting, x lesser than equals to 63 and this is 39. So this is the option. So you put here equal to sign. Now we consider three same types of problem. So 5, 6, 7, they are of same type. Suppose problem number 1. A equals to xy, y equals to e to the power x belongs to R, and b equals to xy, y equals to x belongs to R. Then what is the correct option? B subset of A subset of B, A intersection B, phi A union B equals to A. Now to solve this problem, we need idea of graph. So y equals to e to the power x. So I have already discussed it. So graph of y equals to e to the power x. So for x equals to 0, y equals to 1. Y equals to 1. And y equals to x graph, so we draw the graph first, y equals to x. Y equals to x. It bisects first and third quadrant. This is y equals to x. Now y equals to e to the power x. So x equals to 0, it is 1. And y equals to e to the power x. So dy dx equals to e to the power x. So it is positive for all x belongs to R. That is y is increasing function. So e to the power x is increasing function. At x equals to 0, value is 1. And at x equals to minus infinity, it is 0. So at minus infinity, touch negative x-axis. So it will be asymptotic at infinity with negative x-axis. So we get a figure, then increasing nature like this, y equals to e to the power x. So this is graph of e to the power x, and this is graph of y equals to e to the power x. Look, we have to find, so which relation? So look, there is no common part. A is not subset of B, B is not subset of A, and they do not intersect. Look, A and B, the curve do not intersect, A and B. So this will be phi. So this will be the possible option. They do not intersect. So A intersection B equals to phi. So using idea of graph, you can easily solve it. So this is y equals to x and y equals to e to the power x. This one is 0, 1. Look, this is increasing nature. As x increases, it increases. So there is no scope of intersecting with y equals to x. So possible option is this one. Now problem number 6. Same type of problem. So one is e to the power x and another one is e to the power minus x. So this one is unchanged. So y equals to e to the power minus x. dy dx minus e to the power minus x. So dy dx less than 0 for all x belongs to R due to negative sign, because e to the power minus x is always positive. So it is decreasing function, decreasing. Now at x equals to 0 it is 1. At x equals to infinity it is e to the power minus infinity, that is 0. So we are getting asymptotic behavior, then this is decreasing, y equals to e to the power minus x. Now y equals to e to the power x, this is decreasing nature. At positive infinity this is 0, that is asymptotic behavior. Then look, this type of curve, look, this is decreasing. As x increases, y decreases. They intersect at 1. So look at the possible option. A intersection B, phi. This is not correct. A intersection B, this is only one point. It is only one point, singleton set. So now this is correct answer. A intersection B not equals to phi. We are getting one point of intersection, that is singleton set. Intersection is a singleton set. So this is phi, not correct. So not equals to phi. This is R square, all value, none. So B is possible option. So they are of same type. Now look, problem number 7. So we need idea of graph of function. So problem number 7. So here y equals to 1 by x. So xy equals to 1. So this is a rectangular hyperbola. So at x equals to 0 it is y is infinity. X equals to 0, y is infinity. So at y equals to 0, x is also infinity. So we know this is a rectangular hyperbola, this type, this one, and when both are negative, same type of curve, rectangular hyperbola. This one, xy equals to 1. This is rectangular hyperbola. Now second curve, this is y equals to minus x. So y equals to minus x, it bisects second and fourth quadrant, 135-degree angle. So look, there is no intersection. So here this is also A union BA, not correct. A intersection B, not B. This is intersection A intersection B equals to phi. So C is possible options. So these are most interesting problem also. So you can solve this problem using idea of graph of function. Now we consider two similar like problem. So 9, n for natural number, ax, x belongs to n, bn intersection cn equals to dn, where b and c are relatively prime, then which option is correct? So problem number 10, same problem. Here it is only given, not given, that b and c are relatively prime. It is not given. So options are same. So an equals to ax. an equals to ax. X belongs to n. So this is set of integers multiple of a. In language, multiple of a. So a, 2a, 3a, 4a, 5a, this one. So in terms of language, set of integers multiple of n, multiple of a. So x equals to 1, this is a, then 2a, 3a, that is set of integers multiple of a. So similarly bn and cn. So bn we are considering 10, bn intersection cn equals to set of integers multiple of b as well as set of integers intersection. So set of integers multiple of c. So multiple of b as well as multiple of c. That is, set of integers multiple of LCM of b and c. So multiple of b as well as multiple of c. Suppose this one, 1n, suppose 2n. So this is 2, 4, 6, 8, 3n. So 3, 6, 9, 12. So what is 2n intersection 3n? So common is 6. Then 8, 10, 12. Common is 12. So multiple of 6. That is LCM of 3 and 2. 3 and 2. So Bn intersection Cn. So come to our original problem. Bn intersection Cn. Set of integers multiple of b as well as multiple of c. That is multiple of b as well as multiple of c. That is set of integers multiple of LCM of b and c. So answer will be for 10 multiple of LCM of b and c. It is not given. So this one is D. Option D is correct. So set of integers multiple of LCM of b and c. So option D is correct. Now we consider problem number 9. Exactly same. So one condition is here imposed. Look, an set of integers this, bn intersection cn, exactly same, as well as multiple of b as well as c. So set of integers multiple of LCM of b and c. Now here one condition is given, b and c are relatively prime. So if b and c are relatively prime, then LCM of b and c is bc. LCM of b and c is bc. So that is why we can write it LCM of b and c is bc and it is multiple of n. So n into bc. So bc into n. Only last step is LCM of b and c is bc, if they are prime to each other. 2 and 3 prime to each other, so LCM is 6. So Bn intersection Cn, it is given D of n. So if we compare D equals to BC. So D equals to BC. Option A. So here it is, this for additional condition we are getting D equals to BC. So these are simple problems. Now we consider two similar problem 2 and 12. So to solve this problem we need algebra of sets. So what are algebra of sets? We will use these results: A union B dashed, A dashed intersection B dashed. A intersection B dashed equals to A dashed union B dashed. This is De Morgan's law. Then distributive laws: A union B intersection C, A union B intersection A union C. Then dual property, exactly same. This is union A intersection B union. De Morgan's law, distributive law. So consider problem number 12. So X intersection Y union X complement. So if we use De Morgan's law, this is Y complement intersection X complement. Now commutative law: X intersection X dashed intersection Y dashed. So X intersection X dash, there is no common part. This is phi intersection Y dashed. Now if we take intersection of two sets, then result will be the smaller one. So phi intersection Y. So this is phi. So this is very simple problem of WBJE, 1 or 2 marks problem. Now we consider problem number 2. So look, A and B 135 ... 70, that is set of odd integer from 1 to 17, and this is set of even integer from 1 to 18. So obviously A intersection B equals to 5. So A intersection B equals to 5. So we are getting additional information. Now we calculate this part: A dash union A union B intersection B dash. So since A and B are given, we can calculate it by finding A union B B dash. So this is simple problem. But if we use property, then look, it will be, look, very short. So look, A dash unchanged union, this is A intersection B dashed union B intersection B dashed. So distributive law, if we consider this B intersection A union B intersection B dashed, Now this is A dash union A intersection B dash union, this is phi. So union of two sets A dash union, so this is the getter one, so A intersection B dash, A intersection B dash. Now listen, if A intersection B equals to phi, A intersection B equals to phi, there is no common part. Actually this will be the figure. A intersection B equals to phi, that is there is no common part. So A intersection B dash equals to A minus B equals to A. So we can write it as A dash union A. So this is universal set and it is given by n. Now listen again. So this is A intersection B dash union phi. Now this is A intersection B dash. Now A intersection B dash, A and B are exclusive. A and B are exclusive. That is there is no common part. A and B are disjoint set. So A intersection B dash equals to A minus B equals to A. Present in A but not in B. So A dash union A equals to U from property of set, and this is given by n. So n is answer. Or otherwise you can find what is A dash. A dash belongs to B but not in A. Then you calculate this part and simplifying you get a result. Now consider one more problem. A and B have 3 and 6 elements respectively. What can be the minimum number of elements of A union B? So we have already solved this problem, problem number 1 today. Now look it again. So minimum number of elements of A union B. So in A union B equals to, so n A union B, NA plus NB minus n A intersection B. Now we can find maximum and minimum value of A union B. So n A union B is maximum when this is 0. So n A union B is maximum when n A intersection B equals to 0. So what is n A union B? So this less than equals to NA plus NB. If it is NA plus NB. If it is 0, so if it is not 0, then this one. So this equals to 3 plus 6. So this one then equals to 9. So maximum NA union B equals to 9. Oh, but here minimum value is required. Minimum value. So to get minimum value, we get greater than in equation. So look, we know A intersection A union B. A contains in A union B. So A union B, A contains in A union B. A union B is superset. So we have A union B in A union B greater than equals to NA. So greater than equals to, what is NA? NA is 3. Also A union B contains B. So n A union B greater than equals to n B. So greater than equals to greater than equals to 6. So look at the figure. This is greater than equals to 3 and this is greater than equals to 6. So n A union B greater than equals to 6. So minimum value of n A union B equals to 6. So minimum value is 6. So today through this video we have discussed some important problem of sets. So these are important for WBJE and JEE main only. So we take one more class to the topic set. So thank you for today.